Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to denoise in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see you can find all the instruments you can play, you can get started with opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to denoise any track or music that we have in GarageBand. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up that track. So you can open up any of the options right here. It's going to work the same and open up the same menu, but I'm going to open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new menu right here where you can get started with recording your songs, as you can see at the top of the screen, and so on. So guys, let's say you have added your track and you have recorded your track, and now let's go right here into the upper left corner, click on edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode right here where we can see all of our tracks. As you can see, I have my audio recorder right here, grand piano, and so on. And so let's say that I want to denoise my audio recorder. So what I have to do guys is basically go right here into the upper left corner next to the FX button, click on the sliders. That's going to open up the track settings right here. So first option you have is that you have your track volume, so you can reduce it or put it to whatever volume you need to do to get your desired noise effect. But if you scroll down right here, you will be able to find your plugins and equalizer options. So by clicking on plugins and equalizer, you can see that once you open up plugins and equalizer, one of the options is going to be called the noise gate. So guys, the noise gate is the option that we want to use. This is going to enable you to denoise your track. So go ahead and put up how much you want to go ahead and set the threshold to, and after that apply it, and it's going to apply it to your track right here, and you'll be able to successfully denoise it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.